yudo tiegruok machiwo arita e yo makare kendo fwenyo maundu manyalo rocho arita e kinde rombe magichiwe arita. Ka giloso bang' tieko tiegruok ma kamano Mombasa, Bonsago dwani mondo mi ji michiwonegi arita omedgi osara ka giywak ni kuom kinde malach gisebedo ka giyudo osara mani piny. Bende koro gidwaro ni mondo sirikal olos chik mayango omenda mowinjore ochul Bonsa mosetieko tiegruok. Tiegruok ma kamano ochiw kokalo e chenro ma itayo kod piny owacho mar kaunti ma Mombasa komakore kod kambi mar Agmont International.
Tunashukuru kwa viongozi wetu wametuunganisha na serikali which is police na forces zingine tuweze kusaidiana kwa kuhakikisha wageni wetu watu wote events zenye tunaweza kuwa nazo ziko na usalama wa kutosha.
Changamoto tunapitia kule kazini ni kuwa undermined sana, alafu kuwa underpaid, na kidogo watu sema mabonsa wana akili, lakini sisi kama mimi naweza sema kuwa tuko na akili, ni vile hatukuwa na uwezo wa kusoma, lakini sasa hivi tumehitimu.
Tumetrain hao mabouncers, bodyguards, mambo ya how to do searching, how to search customers, how they communicate with the customers, how to do first aid in the case of an incident, also how to do a report. Kuna kitu inaitwa report kwa security which is very core. We have also trained them on how to come up with a report in the case of an incident. We have also trained them on conflict management in the case of there is a conflict where they are working.